I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do short multiplication when we're working with numbers that are 2, 3 or 4 digit long. We're also going to be multiplying them by a 1-digit number. The first thing I'd like you to think about is estimation and how we can do estimating to help us see if we've arrived at the correct answer. So if we take the first question, 32 multiplied by 3. If I use my rounding skills, I know that 32 lies between 30 and 40. And using the pink marker here, I've marked the middle number between 30 and 40, which is 35. 32, therefore, would be closer to 30 than it would 40. So I'm now going to do a quick calculation using 30. We're multiplying it by 3, as the question states. And I know that my answer will be roughly around 90. 3 times 3 equals 9. And because we're using a multiple of 10, we're going to have a multiple of 10 as our answer. So 30 times by 3 is 90. Now I'm ready to tackle the question and find the definite answer. So 32 times by 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. So I know, using my estimate, that actually that seems like a sensible estimation. Let's move on to the next one. 654 multiplied by 7. I can see here that 654 lies between 600 and 700. I've marked the middle number between 600 and 700, which is 650. Therefore, 654 is going to be closer to 700 than it is to 600. So let's do my quick estimation. So I'm going to do 700 multiplied by 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. And because I've got a multiple of 100 here, I'm going to have a multiple of 100 in my answer. So roughly speaking, this calculation is going to be around the 4,900 mark. So let's try and solve it now. 654 multiplied by 7. Can you see how all my digits are lined up nice and neatly in the correct place value? Ones, tens, hundreds. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2 over. 5 times 7 is 35. Add the 2 gives me 37. I'll bring the 3 over to the next column. 6 times 7 is 42. Remember the story of my granddad. 42 add 3 is 45. So my estimation and my actual answer isn't too far out from each other. So I know I'm roughly, with my estimation, in the right place. And I've now calculated my answer, 4,578. Let's have a look at the last question. 9,876 multiplied by 9. 9,876 lies between 9,000 and 10,000. So I'm actually going to do a quick calculation here. So the number between 9,000 and 10,000 is 9,500. So therefore, 9,876 is going to be closer to 10,000 than 9,000. So I'm going to do 10,000 multiplied by 9. 10 times 9 is 90, or 1 times 9 is 9. And I'm using big numbers now. So I'm going to have 90,000. So my answer is going to be roughly around there. So let's do a quick calculation now to solve the actual question. So, sorry, that's a little bit far away. Let's bring number 6 back. And we're going to be multiplying, and the digits are in the correct place value. 6 times 9 is 54. So we put the 4 down, and we bring the 5 over to the next column. 7 times 9 is 63. Add the 5 is 68. 8 times 9 is 72. Add the 6 is 78. 9 times 9 is 81. Add 7 is 88.